Hey, PokeTubers. This is Sunday, October 23rd, and this is the day of the pre-release for the new evolutions. So I wanted to open up these packs from previous sets in anticipation for the new set that's going to be coming out for evolution. So I have 4 packs of Fates Collide, 4 packs of Steam Siege, 4 packs of Breakthrough, and 4 packs of Breakpoint to open for you today. So I'm hoping to get something out of these packs. So we're just going to go from the bottom up and go from here. Each of these codes I'm going to give out. Hopefully people aren't scanning them. I'm just putting them in there. Scanning them and putting them in their computer for everyone can get them. So I'm covering the barcode so everyone can put them in manually. Good luck. Let's see what we get. 1, 2, 3. I'm hoping to get, of course, my Charizard and then Evolution's pre-release. Cannot wait. Excuse me. Okay, we have Special Energy, Splash, Potion. Of course, it's like almost 6 o'clock here in the morning. Papa Toad. I woke up early. I was excited. Shelter, Drowsy, Spritzy, Temple, Clefairy. Nice. We have a Skrulp reverse. Oh, and I saw the reverses for the evolutions. They are awesome. And are rare. Nice. Togekiss. Now you gotta find the sleeves. There we go. That's awesome. First pack NEX. Sweet. Now these all came from booster boxes, so it's not like these are random. Breakpoint. So wherever I get, it's going to be like icing on the cake. Okay, here's another code card. Y'all let me know what you get. Hopefully you get something really good. Oh, nice. Fresh Sycamore. I will keep him to the side. All Night Party. Scizor Spirit Link. I'll keep that for my son. He's trying to do a Mega Scizor deck. Shinx. Spritzy. Glameow. Slowpoke. Skorupi. Our reverse is a Staryu. And our rare is Eradicate. Nice. Hopefully you all were able to get to the pre-releases in your region and you had an awesome time. Minus today, of course. Can't wait to show you what I get, if anything. Psychic Snare, Doublade, Scizor Spirit Link, Chikorita, Shinx, Numel, Kricketot, Rattata. Ooh, nice. Kricketune. Reverse and our rare. There's a Camerupt. Nice. This is the last pack of Breakpoint that I have. There you go. Perugly, Slowbro, Stantler, Gibble, Psyduck, Furfrou, Ducklet, Esper, nice Rattata reverse, and our rare is a Gardevoir holo. Nice. Set that aside. Alright, first pack of Breakthrough. Maybe I'll get another Zoro brick. That would be sweet. There we go. Or maybe a break and an EX. Oops, upside down. Alright, we have a Behem, Seaking, Starmie, Routes, Panpour, Vanillite, Pansear, Pancham, a lot of pans over here, Mr. Mime Reverse, and our rare is a Parasect. All right, there's another code card. 1, 2, 3. Make sure I didn't pull the other card out. All right, we Starmie, Skyla, put her to the side. Spupa, Paris, Staryu, Skidoo, Bronzor, Meowth. Oh, nice. A reverse Pancham, and our rare is a Staraptor. Another code for you guys. Oops. 2, 3. Okay, here we go. Frogadier, Swoobat, Gogoat, Bronzor, Meowth, Zorua, Routes, Panpour. Reverse is a Grand Bull, and our rare is a Mamoswine Hollow. Nice. Yeah, I opened up the rest of the packs in the booster box, and I got a bunch of good pulls. So I'm not expecting anything in these. The Togekiss was more than I expected. We have a Kirlia, Parallel City to the side, Grand Bull, Vanillite, Pansear, Pancham, Inkay, Swinub, or Swinub, Magnemite Reverse, and our rare is a Halucha. Excuse me. Have the hiccups. Steam Siege. Yeah, these packs are much harder to open. The packing itself is actually thicker. I noticed that. There you go. Excuse me. 3. Ooh, there we go. Ninja Boy. Take that to the side. Drifblim. Captivating Pokepuff. Go away. One of the most retarded cards ever. Mankey. Apom. Drifloon. Seedot. Sneasel. Ooh, nice. Reverse Dewott, and our rare is a Hydreigon Hollow. Nice. Yeah, I hate that card. It doesn't do anything for your deck. Kind of like Pokemon Catcher after they nerfed it with having you flip a coin. Where's it at? There we go. There's another code card for you. Let's see what we get. Okay, Braviary, Clang, Ninja Boy, Bergbite, Fungus, Mankey, Shellos, Dino, a reverse Brufflet, and our rare is a Druddigon, regular rare. Nice. Okay, they're doing this so that people don't weigh the packs. But people are going to figure out a way to do it anyway. There's a code card for you. 2, 3. Tangrowth. Ooh, Pokemon Ranger. Fletchinder. Oshawott. Fletchling. Larvesta. Meowth. Mantine. Reverse Litleo. And our rare is Gargantua. So let's see what this brings us. There's another code card for Steam Siege. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, some people have been getting awesome boxes of Evolutions already. One gentleman ended up getting, there we go, go away. He ended up getting like 3 full arts, 4 EXs, and like 5 of the uncommon or rare secret rares. I don't know how they did that in the set, but I'm hoping to get all of them. I need to collect that set. Our short reverse and our rare is Volcanion. Oh, let me keep that. My son wanted that earlier. Fates Collide. We have a Shauna, Servine, Energy Reset, Minccino, Cottonee, Solosis, Volibee, Coughing, Reverse Whismur, and our rare is an Aerodactyl. Cool. Another code card for you. So we have about 2 more packs to go. Braixen, Whimsicott, Fairy Garden, Carbink, Jigglypuff, Riolu, Deerling, Snubbull. Our reverse is a Rotom, very nice. And our rare is a Lucario. I like his three move ability. That was cool. Alright, second to last Pokemon card. Online code. Wormadam. This is going to be reprinted. Again. Ammonite. Snubbull. I don't know why they were reprinting them, because we need to be a seeker. And we needed a whole lot of other cards. Burmy. Ladino Spirit Link Reverse. And our rare. Nice. Altaria EX. That was cool. Go with the other card. Right, last pack. There you are. Good luck. 2, 3. Weezing. Fairy Drop. Alakazam Spirit Link. Bronzor. Cottonee. Burmy. Larvitar. Meowth. Oh, nice. A reverse rare Tyranitar. And our rare is a Superior. But that's okay. That's awesome. These 2 and these 3 hollows, not too bad. So it added to my EXs that I got out of the boxes. And this added to the hollows I got in my boxes, which is awesome. Alright, y'all. I'll be back later today with a awesome, hopefully awesome, pre-release video of Evolutions. Check y'all later. Bye.